Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you 6 proven ways to make more money on YouTube if your channel is being monetized. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you love YouTube topic content like this, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about YouTube AdSense and YouTube monetization topic like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. Like I said earlier, if you have been monetized on YouTube, here are 6 proven ways that you can use to make more money on YouTube AdSense. Let me show you how. So when you log into your YouTube account, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the sidebar right here, and then you have to make sure you scroll down all the way down. Make sure you scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to your studio. Then I'll get into your YouTube studio. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here, and then make sure you go to your end. Click on that. Then it's going to take you to this particular page right here. So these are 6 proven ways that you can use to make more money on YouTube. So if you have not unlocked any of these tools right here, make sure you stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to every detail I'm explaining in this video in order to boost more revenue into your YouTube AdSense account. So the very first one right here is YouTube. So the very first one right here is watch page. Watch page right here. How do you make money from watch page? Once you monetize your YouTube channel, and if anybody watch your video, by the time they click on the video, the first ad and the second ad or the mid-roll ad that appear on your video is what we refer to as watch page ad. And generally, this is for every YouTube channel monetization, whether you have been monetized for a very long time or you are new to monetization program. This is a must for you. And for you to just turn it on, when you are trying to upload your video, you will see a section whereby you will have to clarify your monetization. Just enable it and you're going to see a great sign dollar icon on your video. It simply means that whatever coming from that is from watch page ad. So that is that. And one thing here is that your video must be ad suitability before you can actually entitled to this particular watch page ad right here. You can read on the ad friendly content guideline right here, so you will be properly safeguarded. Then here, if you want to see how much you have been making so far, click on see my analytics right here. Then YouTube is going to show you everything you have made so far from this particular watch page ads right here. The next column right here is short feed ads. Short feed ads right here, if you are creating short content on your channel, so whatever you make from your short content right here as ad revenue is going to be shown right here. What you need to do is to click on see my analytics right here. Then you are going to see every amount you have made so far right from your short feed ad revenue. The next one right here is membership. Membership right here is a kind of tool that you need to enable on your channel. This allows special people to subscribe to your membership package, and here this is where you see the revenue you make from your membership and number of members that have been in your channel, and at the same time the number of cancellation you have as far as your YouTube membership is concerned. This is another way by which you can make more money on your channel. So that is the third one. The fourth one right there, which is Super Thanks. Super Thanks is a kind of YouTube monetization tool that has been in existence for a very long time. Super Thanks is just like when someone watch your video and they appreciate the content, they give you a tip, and it's attached with anything. It's attached and it has nothing attached to it. So it's just like a way of appreciating the content creator as far as your follower is concerned. And what you get right here, so is called as is known as Super Thanks. The next one right there is shopping. And now under these sections right here, if you are the kind that sell stuff online, this is another opportunity by which you can link your Shopify or whatever online merchandise you have into your channel. Here you can sell whatever you are selling online here on your YouTube shop right here. What you need to do, if you have not enabled or turn on this particular tool, simply scroll down right here and click on setup right here. Follow the prompt and link your shop right here. If you are taking note of some of the video that you watch on YouTube, you see some video that come with a lot of adverts of products like shirts, books, mug, etc. on the underneath of their video. This is how they set it up, and this is another great way by which you can make more money on your YouTube channel. The very last one here, which is Player for Education. This Player for Education was newly launched by YouTube, and this is going to be rolling out starting from next month. you start making more money as far as this player for education is concerned. If you have not turned it on, make sure you turn it on. Once you turn it on, it will take you to this particular dashboard right here. If you want to see any amount you are making so far as player for education is concerned, you can see my analytics right here, and YouTube is going to show you how much you have made so far from this particular player for education. So basically, these are 6 proven ways by which you can use to make more money on your YouTube channel, specifically if your channel has been monetized. For more tutorial topic about YouTube monetization content like this, consider to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.